Hello everybody, this is Daryl at Hudson's Custom Machining. We've got this 1899 General Electric Pancake fan motor back together, and it's running. It's running so smooth and quiet, you don't know if the video is going to pick it up or not. I've got the motor facing down a little bit because I don't have the blade on it, and the blade is the only thing that keeps that rotor from going back in there, getting into this coil wiring back in here. So I've got the motor tilted down a little bit so the weight is going that way. So I'm going to unplug it. And a lot of work went into this. If you looked at the part 1 video where I did the video when I first received this motor, it needed a new shaft. The bearing was shot. We made a new bearing, put that in there, made a new shaft for the rotor. Oh man, I don't know, all of this terminal stuff back here, all these thumb screws here, the terminals, the insulators, all the stuff on the inside here. Made new hex nuts for the back. These new acorn nuts here for the front. I can't remember what all went into this thing. But anyway, it's all back together now and fixing to go back to the customer. So I'm going to get this all boxed up. $18.99, y'all. That's a good year. Let's see if we can pick up. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up or not, but it's a tight, it's a Form E7. E7, I think you can see that there. And there's the patent dates, May of 1887, 1889, I think the last one is 90. Yeah, May 27, 1890. This is the 1899 model. No vent holes around the motor here. Alright, oh, and the grease cup. I've got the grease cup over there hadn't put it back on, and since I'm going to be packing this for shipping, I'm not going to put the grease cup back on it, but the grease cup is over there. Alright, so there you go. 1899 GE Pancake fan. Ready to put the blade and cage on. Alright, y'all take care.